How to remove someone from your share list on TikTok. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's guide, I'll show you a quick and easy way to remove someone from your share list on TikTok. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Open TikTok and log in. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Find the user in your share list. Once you're logged in, tap on the share icon and look for the person you want to remove from your share list. Step 3. Take action. Option 1. Report and remove. 1. Send a video to the person in question. 2. Head to your inbox and find the message where you sent the video. 3. Tap on the flag icon to report them for any valid reason. 4. Once reported, they will be removed from your share list. Option 2. Block and remove. 1. Tap on the 3 dots next to their profile. 2. Select block and confirm by tapping block again. 3. This action will instantly remove them from your share list. That's it. And just like that, you've successfully removed someone from your share list on TikTok. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful TikTok tips. Stay tuned for our next upload.